beach day. Can't wait to see everyone.
Me too. Let's make new memories, okay? Oh, look, there's Yangyang.
Rovers! I'm so glad you could come. I decided to record our adventure today. I hope that's alright. I never want to forget our time and memories together.
Fun. Sounds like fun.
Meanwhile,
Impressive. Alright, now let's see that again.
Yes, sir. Rovers!
Mitten like a kitten. What a silly little man.
I have to admit, I'm surprised to see Yuanwu used to these so-called relaxing times as a way to train more.
Are you though? The climate temperatures are perfect. We are here observing and calculating social patterns.
Right. Fair point. The work never stops. I wonder if some of them will let me monitor their vitals.
Maybe try that later.
Never let your guard down. Even on beach days. None will know I'm here. I will keep it that way.
Oh, is this a reality show? I gotta get my good side. Hello, beautifuls. This is Aalto, and I can make all your dreams come true, financially and romantically. I'm also good with kids. She's just playing with a friend. Encore, come back! I need you to make me look good!
Encore can hear Uncle Aalto scream. Makes Encore laugh.
Shouldn't you help him?
No. Encore will burn you if you tell him where Encore is.
Ah, okay, never mind. Secret's safe with me.
Sorry I didn't see you there. I hope you are enjoying yourself. The weather and scenery is perfect for clearing your mind.
Oh, you look busy. You want to go spa by the beach, please?
Yes, in a minute. I'll see you there.
Great!
Yeah.
I wish I was as approachable as Miss Chixia. Then kids wouldn't run away from me. Or maybe it's because of my bloodthirst? Oh well. Finally, a well-deserved vacation. Time for me to enjoy the sun and relax.
I have to agree with Miss Taoqi. This relaxation period is quite lovely.
Agreed. It is nice here, but I will still keep my guard up, my lady.
As expected, I appreciate it.
Okay. Not sure why they don't just become official already. They radiate obvious homosexuality. Do you even know what I said, Jiyan?
Huh? Oh, yeah. When will the Rovers be arriving? That's the only reason I'm really attending.
Oh, of course. Soon. I can't deny I'm excited as well.
Such an interesting set of people. Robert really didn't get the time to get busy. Should I be jealous? Just don't forget about me.
So pretty, both of them.
I know, right? And in one place. How lucky. And a beach setting too? My lucky day.
They're mine.
Nope, already claimed them. Thank you, Toots.
We have a mission, remember? No time for drooling over Rovers. Get it together!
Fine. But I can do both. Maybe. No? Okay.
Da da da, down down.